In this guide, I'm going to show you the new best way to open multiple Roblox accounts here on a PC or laptop at the exact same time. Now, before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This method is super easy to do, but the first thing you're going to want to do is actually close out of Roblox and open up a web browser of your choice and search for Process Explorer. Go ahead and go to the first link, which is going to be Microsoft Learn, and open it up and go ahead and download Process Explorer right here. And it's going to download a zip file for you. Essentially just drag that zip file onto your desktop just like so. And then from here, right click on that zip file and hit Extract All and then hit Extract. And drag that extracted zip file over to the side, because what you're going to want to do is open up that folder, and in here you're going to see a bunch of different files. Find the Pro C EXP application and right click on it and then hit Run as Administrator and hit Yes. From here it's going to pull up a page that looks like this. Just ignore this for a second and open up the Roblox player. And then just drag that off to the side. And from here, go back to Process Explorer and go to the View tab and go to Show Lower Pane and just make sure this is ticked on. And for the lower pane view, make sure Handles is ticked on as well. From here, go ahead and search Roblox and hit Enter and find this Roblox Player Beta option and just filter over to the Handles tab and look specifically for the event tabs on here. And you might have to scroll down a little bit. But essentially find the one that says _singleton event and just right click on it and hit close handle, hit yes, it's going to go red for a second and then it's going to close out of it. And from here you can actually open up a second Roblox player. As you can see, if I open this up right now, it's going to load into it. And essentially when you close that, that's what prevents it from locking you into just one process running at the same time. From here, go ahead and choose any of these and just go to the More tab, scroll down and hit Log Out and then hit Log Out again, and then sign into your alt account on here. I'm going to use Quick Sign In, but you could use really whatever you would like. After you go ahead and do that, it'll sign you into that alt account, and you could just scroll on this page just for a second because it's going to log you out of this main one. Just hit sign in and sign back into your main account after doing so. And then from here, you can go ahead and get loaded into your matches. Now, for example, I can get loaded into, I guess, Steal a Brain Rot, right? And then on this other page, I can get loaded into the same game, or I can get loaded into a second game. Just to showcase, I'll go ahead and do, I guess, Taxi Boss, right? Why not? And as you can see, we now have multiple accounts running at the exact same time. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.